welcome. My name is Nabwanga and you my darlings of Shalichand. And until I know I'm happy to stay, you subscribe and hey beautiful people, welcome. My name is Nabwanga and you my darlings of Shalichand. And until I know I'm happy to stay, you subscribe and become part of this family. So I just came back from work and there is no electricity. Not sure what time the load shedding started, but probably it should be back by 8. So as you can see, I'm outside on top of a van trying to make an intro for this video because there's no electricity. So at least outside it's kinda still light nyana. So yeah, I'm just gonna go on and have a cold bath. Yeah, it sucks, but yeah, I'm gonna go on and have a cold bath. Probably by the time electricity comes back, I'll then prepare something to eat. Hey guys, so I just finished taking a bath. As you can see, I'm on my towels. So I'm gonna just take a few minutes and give my braids some love. I've had them for like a while now, but I've been neglecting them like hell. So I'm just gonna sit down a few minutes, give them some love. Actually, I did buy something new. Let me take it. I did buy something new, which was kind of recommended. I even forgot the name because like I just went to store, looked for the name, took it and removed the papers. So yeah, I'm gonna be using this and my all-time fave Gane Ultimate Dondoni. So yeah, to give my braids some love. So let me just sit down, put the phone in the tripod. Yeah. Oh, kuthanda wena. Amazi angena. Oh, kuthanda wena. So now I'm gonna go in with this oil here. I forgot the name because I already removed the paper as I said. But yeah, it was recommended by one YouTuber who does hair, like natural hair. So she said that it does help with dandruff, it does help with hair volume and stuff. So I decided to get one and try it. So yeah, let's just go on and use it because these braids will end up being a mess since I've got a dry scalp. So my scalp is painful already. So you see, that's how much I've neglected them. So I found that my scalp is so very much painful. So guys, okay, let me vent a little bit about Vlogtober. So for me, Vlogtober has not been easy. I don't know, rather lie. Yes, I do try by all means to keep like content going, but it's very much difficult. Like having to balance everything, it's a struggle. Like having to go to work in the morning, come back, try most of the content like at night. Sometimes there is not even electricity. Like it's just difficult for me to cope. Like it's so difficult for me to cope. You can see the smiles, the vlogs together, edited, posted and stuff, but it's behind the scenes, guys, it's literally difficult because I'm struggling. Like it is draining. I do not want to lie. Doing these vlogs, it's definitely draining. Okay, probably if there was no load shedding, it was not going to be like that. The problem is load shedding because I only have like probably an hour in the morning and 2 hours at night for the rest. So if I do not like shoot enough content by weekend, it just gets extra draining. But then since I've already made a commitment to continue with it, I was just venting out that sis is struggling. Sis is not coping. Vlogtober, it's not friendly for her. Like, I'm not coping. I'm literally not coping. So it's more of a struggle. I'm sure I'm sure I'm venting a lot. Like, I'm talking non-stop. I don't know. But yeah, I was just venting out. So to not be quiet is I do my hair, since it's taking some time. So anyway, enough about venting. This product smells not so good. The product I've just used for my head, it doesn't smell so good, but it feels kind of moisturizing for the scalp. It will not be my best friend because of the smell. I do not like things that smells bad. So one thing that will make it not to my best friend is that. So now I'm gonna go in with the Garnier Ultimate Blends Hydrate and Star All Moisturizer Spray. This has been my all-time fave, like for my wigs. If you've been watching like my wigs reviews or tutorials, you know that this has been like my all-time fave, like my all-time fave. I don't know why I'm running out of breath. So yeah, we're done now. My scalp feels better. Akfan. So yeah, I'm done. I'm just gonna go on and do the rest and then sleep because I'm tired. But at the same time, I feel like watching, like completing the series or continue with the How to Get Away with Murder series, because sis has been loving it lately. So yeah, we will see. We'll see. Whatever happens, happens. What doesn't happen, it doesn't. We just go with the flow. Okwenzekile kwenzekile, okungenzekanga akwenzekanga.